Have you ever wondered what it feels like to be in CALUBIAN? An adventurous person? A secret cove is waiting for you. Looking for a place to chill? Check out the beautiful beachfront resorts. And from a sanctuary of faith to a hidden tropical lagoon, all that just for you in CALUBIAN Leyte. CALUBIAN is a fourth-class municipality in the northernmost tip of Leyte Island. The town is abundant in coconut, that's why the name CALUBIAN is derived from the word lubi or kalubihan, which means coconut. Now, let's see what CALUBIAN has to offer. Mini Palawan. The locals call it as the Mini Palawan because it resembles the famous Palawan for it has pebble white beach, scenic rock formations, and turquoise blue waters. The sea is rich in marine wildlife, ideal for snorkeling. It is surrounded by lush tropical greenery. It is a perfect place to go to if you want to have some peace and for meditation because it is almost a virgin place, untouched, and it also doesn't have any tourists. One of the most popular religious sites in Eastern Visayas is the St. Therese of the Child Jesus Diocesan Shrine. It is declared by the bishop as the first in Asia. The place is a beautiful sanctuary of faith on top of the hill. Coco Roderick Resort. It is perfect for the kids and also adults, for it has a big swimming pool. It is an ideal choice of staycation, and they also have paddle boards, kayaks, and a floating cottage. Now, it's time to explore deeper. From 1 hour track, you will reach the Ginaxan Cave. The cave hasn't been explored for almost a decade. It is called Ginaxan Cave because it's derived from the Sayan word embrace. From the stalactites and stalagmites that resembles an embracing king and queen. Coronang Bulawan Cave. You'll be captivated of its golden stalactite and stalagmites. It's just like Mother Nature blew off gold powder scattered all over the place. Busay Dako, a blue lagoon located in Barangay Matagok. It is a place to cool down and freshen up from life. CALUBIAN and its warming people, a place you will never forget.